It has changed my life dramatically. The treatments have changed my life dramatically. I'm up walking around more, not as tired. My legs are not as heavy as they used to feel and be. And back now working in the yard, cutting grass, where I had stopped and hired, people to do that for me. My ankles are almost a normal size. I really feel great. I walk around without getting tired. With that condition, your legs seem heavy all the time, and I just really feel great. This procedure I would recommend to anybody, especially people that are on their feet all the time, have varicose veins like mine were very large, and now I can't even see them where they were, and you look better, feel better. I can go back to wearing a swimsuit now. Positive experiences here at the vein clinic I would recommend to anyone. Those experiences are especially the staff. You're not here laying down on a table for very long. It's like more of a business. You come in, they give you the treatment, you're out, and you're not, in a sense, laid up. Dr. Stuckey was telling me that 10 years ago when I first developed this condition, that it was this stripping of the veins, which would have been very painful. I would be in the hospital, for a number of days and so forth. And but now with this kind of treatment, you're up within 45 minutes, an hour, like you didn't even have a treatment. So it was great. The biggest surprise that I had about the treatment was seeing where I could have varicose veins that were sticking out of my skin, and 2 or 3 treatments later, they were gone. That was the biggest surprise. And then over time, my ankles getting smaller and smaller, back to normal size. What got me here was that teaching for 41 years, I'm retired now, but I developed a disease called venous insufficiency. And this is a condition where blood and fluids pool at the ankles and the legs, causes swelling, and which eventually causes an edema or a wound to come onto the leg. I was sent to various wound care clinics, and nothing worked. And then I had a heart condition, and my heart doctor recommended that I go to this therapeutic massage facility. And they would massage my legs and wrap them in a way to push the blood and other fluids back up the leg. But it wasn't working. And the lady who ran the place recommended that I come see a friend of hers who was Dr. Stuckey. So I came about a year ago, and then because of insurance policies, they had to do certain things, and I had to wear some special stockings and so forth to see if this would help with the swelling before they could actually begin the procedure. And they began the procedures last January, and I was coming a couple of times a week, and that lasted until March, and then started back again in April, May, and it ended in July. So I'm waiting for my final checkup, which will occur in November.